Hi guys, welcome to my video. My name is Lucas. We go to the mall and we found this, nanin, tatay and me. After we found it, we go in our bahay.
What do you call that? Those are
Those are
magic capsules.
magic capsules.
What does it do ba?
When you put it in the water, 5 minutes, and it will small next after 5 minutes. After small, it will turn big. And
Big like what? What are the shapes that you expect to see?
the shapes are these cars. So many cars, or airplanes, or trains, or helicopters, or boats, and excavators.
How much does it cost? 98 pesos.
98 pesos. And
Where did we bought it nga? Daiso? We bought it at Daiso.
we bought it in Daiso. So now,
Let's try.
let's try.
Oh,
Dito ko
ito muna yung
nibukas.
water. Oh.
That's water. I-open ko na.
Ito, I have scissors here.
Oh, nakaganto ko na last
O, sige na.
kanina eh.
Okay, sige na. Baka kasi malaglag one by one lang. O, tamo. O, yan, tamo. I'm afraid nga malaglag eh. Okay, let's try.
Okay, now it's like this. Let's open the paper. We're gonna punit it. See it? That's so nice. See that? That's so nice. This is my first time buying this right. Oopsie.
Oopsie, careful. Alright, okay. Which one do you want to try first?
The yellow one.
Alright.
This is
We drop it in the water.
rock.
Drop it. Let it soak. Ayan mo. And let's wait for a little while. Saan siya? Cannot see.
It's right there.
It's right there. What do you think it's gonna be?
I think it will be
Let's guess. What do you
Okay.
think? Ako, I bet it's an airplane.
Ako excavator.
Excavator, sige.
Submarine.
Ang taga naman maubos ng capsule. Let's see.
Baka nanay, we don't really need to hula because if we hula, we don't know who it is.
Ganun nga, that's the game nga eh. You guess eh.
That's not the game. We're just gonna watch it. Oh, hindi matita.
Okay, sige.
Ayun. There's...
There it is. It's so tagal.
Oo nga.
I think we have to flip the camera so I can take a video.
Oo nga.
I don't know how to flip the camera.
Wait, make it.
Paano i-flip?
We're so tagal. Isabay na nga tayo ba?
I don't know how to flip the camera.
Okay. Ay, nalaglag.
Yan, nalaglag tuloy.
Nasabay ko na kasi para hindi na matagal lalo.
O sige na, you pick up pa. You pick up the other one pa yung nahulog.
Huh?
Let's see.
Oh! Nabubukas pa siya.
You wanna open?
No open.
I think if you open it, it will dissolve faster.
Oo nga.
Or if you play it like this.
Oo nga.
Or maybe you can open the capsule.
Oh, it's not.
Try to open the capsule. Try to open it. Let's see. You open and then just let it soak.
Okay.
Open. Come on.
It's so super.
Wag mo yan, kasi baka mapunit mo.
I don't wanna punit.
O, wag mo na laruin, hayaan mo na. Baka mapunit mo eh.
I will try the other one. Let's move it to 4 minutes.
Ayun, anak ko, nag-open na eh, oh. Kaya lang I'm afraid, baka
Hindi. Hindi na. If it's open, I'm gonna be happy.
Eh, baka mapunit eh. Ayan, malapit na. Let's see if it works.
Kasi pinunod na pala nga pala natin.
Let's see. What do you think? What did I guess nga? I said maybe
I
it's an
think it's a
airplane.
motor.
What do you think? Yan, open na. What do you think it is? Huwag mo takin, baka mapunit. What do you think that is?
It's a straw pala.
Yeah, it's a sponge. Anong picture yan? Ano yan? Ano yan dyan?
You're right, it's an airplane.
Ayun!
Huh?
This one.
Ay, oo, baligtad.
Oo nga. Kung na, ayan o.
Let's...
Ang tagal naman ng iba. I-post muna natin yung video. Ang tagal.
Okay, let's post it.
Hindi, ganito na lang gawin natin, anak. Anak, asa na? Asa na? Hanapin mo. Ano ba yan? Nag-unpost na ako, tapos nawala naman yung gagawin natin. Okay na?
Ulo.
O sige na, mamaya tayo hanapin. Dari ka dito muna. Ilan ba yan? I-soak mo muna lahat. Andi na. I-shoot mo na lahat. Anak, i-shoot mo na lahat and then we will open it all later. Tinan mo ka, ayaw mo ba i-shoot lahat?
Ano yung shoot?
Ilagay mo na lahat dyan. O sige, ano yan? I-guess mo ano yan.
Tignan natin sa paper.
Sige, go. Open mo.
Hey, what?
Yan. Ako na. Give it to me. Give it to me, baka mabutas mo. Submarine.
Submarine na.
Show. Yan. O sige na, i-shoot mo na lahat. And then, i-aan natin yung video later to see kung ano pa yung iba. Kasi ang tagal eh. Okay. See you guys later.
See you guys later.